This production line is the basic equipment for the production of coated peanuts, which is mainly composed of a roasting machine, a cooling machine, a coating machine, and a swing oven. The material of the whole machine is 304 stainless steel. Step 1. Peanuts preheating. The peanut roasting machine is a continuous roasting equipment with a wide range of applications and high roasting quality. This machine is gas heated, and electric heating is also available. Roast peanuts at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. A frequency is 50 Hz, according to different materials. The mesh belt conveying structure makes the material move smoothly. The speed is adjustable. The unique roasting design ensures that the finished product has uniform maturity and consistent moisture. Provide necessary conditions for high-quality coated peanut products. Step 2. Peanuts cooling. Use an axial flow cooler to cool the peanuts to room temperature. Step 3. Peanuts coating. Put the peanuts into the coating machine and start the machine. Adopt efficient peanut coating equipment, fast and stable hot air supply, and fast coating speed. Step 4. Peanuts roasting. Put the coated peanuts into the swing oven. Swing oven is a special equipment for roasting coated peanuts. Roast at 165 degrees Celsius 40 minutes. The swinging during the roasting process makes the materials continuously tumbling in the roasting pan, and the roasting is even.